Gentle, May. Good job, Riv. Get the ball. Here, you want this ball? I think that's a better option. Oh, he wants that ball. There's 2 balls. Are you crawling, baby? Good job, baby. Get the balls. Good job. That's gross. You're crawling, honey. You are. Ew. So the first time you crawled was over to Shimei to get her ball. Good job, Riv. Keep going. Good job, Riv. Come on, get the ball. Oh, he lays down and gives up. Okay, yay! You and May together. Uh-oh, you have to go again to get it. Yay, baby, I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's change your diaper. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Maybe yucky, that's enough. Ew. She give you kisses. Where are you going? You're going backwards. Shimei, gentle. Shimei. Good girl. Uh-oh, he found another tag. Do you like tags? Hey, Riv. Riv, look at this. What's this? Come on, Poo-Poo. Come on. What a big boy.